6, 2014. I'm joined by Arlen from BajaBid. Arlen, great to see you.
Great to see you, Phil.
We've promoted a few of your auctions on EMS now, and I think they seem to go pretty well. What do you actually? We're used to seeing you online, and it's nice to see you in reality. What are you here doing?
Well, we're here, just making sure that people are aware of BajaBid and the list of services that we offer. And right now, we've got a growing business. Again, as you probably know, obviously, we specialize in the electronics manufacturing and assembly industry, and we'd like to become asset management partners for the companies that have assets that are not using.
Okay, so what does that mean? If I'm an EMS company and I've kind of, maybe I bought in a couple of new lines and I've got a couple of old lines out, how do I go about that process, and what can you do for me?
Well, what we do typically is we work with our customers, and we come in, we catalog, we inventory it, we'll market it and sell all the assets, and we can coordinate that with the bringing of the new line, and so that we can make sure that it's the old line's disposition. We maximize the sale price, because the reality of it is we sell to end users and all the resellers, and we effectively take the auction format and we put everyone into a form and make the highest bidder win. We work for the sellers.
Okay.
One of the things that we try to do as an asset management partner in order to maximize the sale price for our sellers is we really try to take a lot of quality pictures, videos for the more valuable assets.
Okay.
Therefore giving our sellers, the buyers, the peace of mind that they need.
Okay, and you obviously have some experience in the sector, so when you go in and you look at a line, you're able to identify, what's the sweet spot, what's going to sell. You must have a lot of data based on your previous sales that helps you do that.
Yes, that's absolutely correct. I come from the electronics manufacturing industry. I worked many years with an EMS provider and was an engineering manager with companies like Flextronics and others. And so I have a good knowledge, and again, we specialize in the EMS assembly. And therefore, when we represent a machine or a screen printer or a pick and place, you make sure that we get the right information, make sure we get the right data so that the buyers know what they're getting. Yeah,
so you can provide all that information. And in terms of geographies, are you predominantly operating in the Americas, or are you happy to look at anything worldwide?
We're happy to look anywhere worldwide. We've got, if we don't have a facility, we have partners in different, Europe, Asia, North America, South America.
Okay, and in terms of once those deals are done, you come in, you create the auction catalog, you perform the auction, and you get the best price for me. Then obviously I need that displaced just at the right time, because I've got to be using that until my new kit comes in. How does that work? Do you have to stage and hold some of that stock, or do you just arrange the fulfillment?
No, we work for it. We coordinate it. We'll lay out an entire plan for the project, depending on what the customer's requirements are, and we'll make sure that the assets are dispositioned. From the seller's perspective, everything's sold as is, whereas no warranty included, no warranty implied. The buyer's responsible for all of the shipping related, not only risks, liabilities. So we'll coordinate that. Obviously, we'll meet with local suppliers that can provide the crating service or the shipping logistics. And so we'll manage the entire project from doing invoicing and everything. It's a hands-on approach, and we really try to make it as easy and as user-friendly as possible for our sellers and our buyers as well.
Yeah, and you're someone that understands what the equipment is and what it does, which is really important in this market, because it's a little more complicated than buying and selling cars, perhaps.
Well, again, these are our cars. This is all I've ever done.
This is your bread and butter.
Exactly.
Okay, and last question, if someone wants to access the service, they just come into the BajaBid website?
Yes, the website is...
find your email details there.
Absolutely, the BajaBid.com.
Arlen, thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoy the rest of the show, and good to talk.
Thank you, Phil. It was a great talking to you.